There's two ways you can make a fire starter. One, you take a toilet paper roll and you can shove it with shredded paper so it's nice and full. Or take dryer lint and you can stuff the toilet paper roll with dryer lint. This is two different ways to make a fire starter. So then once you have your two rolls, we need to dip this in wax. Well, I bought these candles at a garage sale. I think I got the whole bag for $1 or $2. What I do is I take the candles, then you get a heavy duty plastic bag, and I have boiling water, and I just throw in the candles in the boiling water, and they slowly, as you can see, all that juice is the wax. I'm going to dip the fire starters in this wax. Okay, once the wax is done, I have one Youper fire starter. I'm dipping it in the wax, letting it drain. I have a tray here lined with wax paper, and I just put it on the tray to dry. Take another one. I dip it in, hold it down, let it all the wax soak in, and then put it on the tray. Once these dry, I'll show you how they start on fire.